My dear brothers and sisters, our Catholic faith professes that Jesus is fully human and fully divine. Totoong Diyos at totoong tao. And if we will try our best to look at a perfect Bible story to fit this profession of our faith to Jesus, our gospel for today shows much of it. He was fully human by being so warm and by being so accommodating to the requests of the many people around him. By hearing that Simon's mother-in-law is sick, when people in the whole town actually gathered in front of their house, when he wished to cross to another town for them to encounter these people, nagpapakatao lang si Jesus kung saan ipinakita niya ang kanyang sarili and as a people person himself. While on the one hand, we see him fully divine sa pagpapagaling niya at sa pagnanais niya na makapunta sa kabilang dako. He was just being God with that incident. But at the top of everything, as the letter to the Hebrews pointed out, he was a brother to his fellows. It is good to consider, for us to consider, how Jesus has been working then and has been working in us. He works as a mighty God. He hears our prayers, doing miracles for us, blessing us with life, with health, with family, with friends, giving us work, giving us what we need. But let us not also forget that He relates us as a loving brother to all of us. Nararamdaman niya tayo, kita niya tayo, alam niya anong ang nangyayari sa atin. Masaya siya sa panahon na masaya tayo. He grieves as we all grieve as well. As we struggle, He is there to accompany us as we struggle. Nakikiisa ang kapatid nating ito. Todo suporta ang kapatid na ito. He is mighty God, yet also He is a loving brother. And we might as well learn from this lifestyle of Jesus. He did not pound on being a superior one, but He feels us. He was and He is a brother to us. We might be enjoying our superior and highly classified names, o di kaya mga tanyag na tawag sa araw-araw nating buhay. But let us not forget how it is to be a brother and a sister to whomever we meet. When we embrace duty, let us not also forget to show affection. We also show our compassion. It is not good that we have honorable names, but denies simple care, practical help, presence, and even needs. We need not to be a government official or someone famous to say that I have a duty. Who we are, where you are now, that is your duty. That is your responsibility. We do responsibly our duty, and from it, show that we are a brother and a sister to everyone, extending help, extending care, and the love that we can all express to one another.